So I have a set of flat PDF sketches that I want to use in Illustrator, but before I can do that, I need them to be in an image format. So I'm in Photoshop. I'm going to do a new file, and I'm going to be working with 8.5 by 11 paper, and these particular images are landscape. So I want to double check that, go ahead and create. Then I am going to File, Place Embedded, and I'm getting from my computer. So this is one of my files on my computer. I'm going to use these female, and it's going to give me some options because there's multiples on here, and I want the one that has all the views. And then I am going to go to Layer, Rasterize. Oh, you know what? I got to enter first. So enter first to get it in there. Then go to Layer, Rasterize, and save this as a smart object. Then I'm going to rename it. So I am going to save as, and I want to call this female plus flaps. And I want to make sure that I save it to Creative Cloud so that I can access it.